Hey guys, it's Hoover here, and today this is going to be a video about what case I use. So currently, right now, on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I have the red silicone case. I just got this, and I have the gold phone, and I think this looks really slick, and especially with my palm tree wallpaper, I really like this combination. Before, I had gotten at the store this pink citrus case, which there will be an unboxing of that up at some point, and that also I think looks really good with the gold, but I took that off when I got this one because I think this is an amazing combination. Red with anything looks really good. I'm also dreamed to get a white one, which that'll probably be soon. So yeah, I just want to make a quick little video. I also have these two cases. This is the spec Presidio with grip, and then the Tech 21 Essentials cases, and those are basically all the cases that I have for this phone. And I'm probably going to be switching it up a little bit, but for right now my plan is to keep this case on. I think it looks really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.